If you suffer from hair loss, the next 2 minutes can change your life.
I could feel myself literally losing my hair.
It was kind of alarmingly thin.
I didn't want to believe it. I was in denial.
I literally tried everything, shampoos, topicals.
Nothing really worked.
The FDA-cleared Capillus laser therapy cap is the easiest and safest hair loss therapy.
Capillus is the best home-use laser device to stabilize progression of hair loss as well as regrow hair. I recommend Capillus to all of my patients who are losing the hair because it works.
Capillus lasers treat hair loss by stimulating hair follicles with light energy, reversing miniaturization, renewing the health of the follicle. An independently reviewed clinical study showed that, versus the placebo, the Capillus laser stopped hair loss in 100% of subjects and resulted in an average of 61% more hair.
Finally, finding an answer to hair loss in laser was probably the best feeling that I could have.
I got my hair back.
I highly recommend it to anybody.
I would recommend it to anyone.
And the Capillus is incredibly simple to use. Use it anytime, anywhere, 30 minutes every other day.
I just put it on when I watch the TV.
It's portable, it's so easy.
Your Capillus cap comes with a rechargeable battery pack and a lightweight carrying case.
It's discreet, it's easy for me to travel with.
It's proven on me, and that's the most important thing.
With thousands of satisfied users worldwide, today is a day to make a change. From as low as $7.99. Call Capillus today and stop your hair loss. Satisfaction guaranteed.
The Capillus allows patients to start to see results within just a few weeks.
If you call today, we'll include the Capillus Clinical Hair Therapy Bundle, a hair care line designed for optimal hair and scalp health. Call Capillus today and stop combing and start growing.
If you notice it, do something about it. Don't wait.